Hi all, welcome back to my video. Myself Safan Ashri, EC second year. This is a C program to check whether a team of members, those who played various matches in an inter-college competition, won or not. So I'll read the question one so that you will be getting a clear idea about it. In an inter-college competition, various sports like cricket, basketball, football, hockey, lawn tennis, table tennis, carom, and chess are played between different colleges. So here they have given 8 different games. Okay, then the information regarding the games won by a particular college is stored in bit numbers like 0 to 8 respectively. So the games won by each college is stored in a numbers or number like bits. So if cricket in the sense 0, basketball in the sense 1, similarly carom in the sense 8, chess in the sense 7, likewise. So those are stored in an integer. So our task is to, if we get a number from the user as an integer, we have to tell how many number of games the particular team has won. Okay, I shall try to explain the program. As usual, we have started with the header file and then main program. So here we have declared an integer variable called game and also an integer variables count. This is also like a counter, and count equal to 0. We have got the input integer game, and we have initialized the for loop. So as C and T is integer, we have assigned 1 for it, and we have checked the condition, that is it is less than or equal to 256, and we have incremented it by multiplying it by 2 if game and the C and T equal to C and T. Like if game, if I enter 2, if the loop incremented and the C and T is 2, if both are equal to 2, and this will be AND operation in the sense both are same, then it returns 1, right? Both are high in the sense the value will be true. If this is true, then the count is incremented, right? This count tells how many matches they have won, and then so we have printed here, right? Count mentions how many matches we have won. Match won by the college or this counter. Okay, total number of matches. Then we have used the if condition. So I'll run it again. I'll enter the games one. I'll enter 4 now. Enter. So yeah, the match won by the college of 4. So if the college wants more than 5 matches, they will be getting champion of champion. Okay, so here we are checking which match they have won. Okay, if the count is greater than equal to 5, so we have given 4 here, so the count did not this statement is not executed. They are not champion of champion. Else in printf we got game won by the colleges. Okay, in this else part we have mentioned this kind of if. This is nothing but if game number is equal to 1 and this number is also equal to 1, both 1 and 1 in the sense it returns true, and 2 is equal to 1. These three are equal in the sense this line is printed. So in such way all the statements are executed, which if the compiler checks which statement is perfectly correct and prints the output. As of here we have mentioned 4 match won by the colleges on 1. So if I give input as 4, the 4th team has won for only 1 match. The match won by the team is football. Okay, yeah, that's it. I hope you understood the program. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye.